everyone, this is Tirthraj Mukharjee, and today in this video you will be introduced to joins. But first, let us play a game together. In this game, we have two sets of values, bend I and S and 10 and 20. And I want to come up with the result set containing the combination of all the names possible. And this is the result set. The ones which I liked are bend 10, I20 and S20. Now how I came up with this result set? This is through the concept of the Cartesian product. I repeat, the Cartesian product. In the world of set theory, which you might have come across in your class 11 or 12 days, Cartesian product is employed in a concept called the simple join or the join, which is widely used in database management systems. On the screen you are seeing a table T1 containing 1 column and 3 rows, and table T2 containing 2 columns and 2 rows. The result table T3 according to the Cartesian product would be like this. Now let me show an example to illustrate and reinforce this concept. I have a table of 13 students with unique registration IDs, and from these 13 students, 3 students want to take up marketing and accountancy as their elective subjects, and 3 other students want to select economics and statistics as their elective subjects. I want to come up with a subject specific registration code for each student. Alright, so in the result table, I would employ the Cartesian product. So let me illustrate. For the first student, that is Trishit, with registration ID 1 with subject marketing as elective, his subject registration code would be 1 Trishit and marketing. Alright. For the same student with subject accountancy, his registration code for the subject would be 1 Trishit accounting. Alright. On the similar lines, for the student Rishabh with economics and statistics, his subject specific registration code would be these two. Alright. Now simple join is a Cartesian product of records of two tables as we just discussed, and in the result table T3, number of columns would be number of columns of T1 plus number of columns of T2. In T1 we had 1 column and in T2 we had 2. So in the result table T3 we would have 1 plus 2, that's 3 columns. And number of rows would be the number of rows of T1 into number of rows of T2. That is, in T1 there are 3 rows and in T2 there are 2 rows. So in T3 there would be 6 rows. Now in the world of joins, there are a lot of kind of joins. Some of them are left join, right join, inner join, and full out of join, and many more. These are very simple but crucial concepts which are widely used in advanced operations on database management systems. Now with this, we have come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it and got value from it. Thank you so much for watching the video. Subscribe to our channel for more such content and stay tuned for inner join, which is our next topic.